Hello, boys and girls. This is at 8 a.m. and look at this. We've got 7 below, and it says by the end of the hour we'll be at 11 below zero. This is January the 7th. Boy, howdy. Here's the good part, though. Over the next week, the temperature's going to go up, up, up. And by Saturday next week, today's Sunday, by Saturday next week, we're supposed to be almost 60 for a daytime high. Which means all of that 4-letter word out there should melt. I hope. This is about what standard New England weather is supposed to look like, is 30s to 50s in the middle of wintertime. Not Arctic sub-zero temperatures. And this morning, 11 below, that's not as cold as it's been. Because last night at 4 this morning, it was 15 below. That's before you count the wind chill. Temperatures last night with the wind chill were between 25 and 35 below zero here in my camp. Now, I don't have the formula to calculate the wind chill, but we were looking at gusts in excess of 35 miles an hour. Yeah. With a sustained wind at midnight last night, I would have estimated at about 8 to 10 miles an hour. So maybe you know how to do the calculation for wind chill. I don't have the formula. I know there's a formula to it. That's what I've got. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to